Good morning, guys. Let's get the Tuesday going. It's been the worst day of the week for me for a while now, so hopefully today is a little bit different. We do have a choppy open like we did yesterday, so just waiting patiently. Good morning, Janelle, William, Chris, Marcelo, Mist, Hat, Namak, Jason, RH, Omar. Good morning, guys. Welcome to Tuesday, Josh. The range is pretty high, just like yesterday. Is Trade of 8 working today? Or is Trade of 8 not working today? I don't like how this chart's formatted. There we go. Alright, so Trade of 8's working. Good. Kind of... Hopefully we could get some kind of setup here. Good morning. Once you have a bunch of funded accounts linked with copy trader, are the profits and payouts real? Profits are not real until you get the payouts, but yes, once you get the payouts, it's real. But profits are not really real because you can't take it out initially. I mean, eventually you could, but initially you can't take all of it out. So I look at it as two different objectives. That's why I don't keep track of how much money I make per daily basis. I just keep track of my payouts. I think my audio is just fine. It could take between 1 day to 15 days for approval. I trade on QUANTOWER, sorry. Everything's up here. Usually if you read just first, you just read this. So it's gonna scroll through a few things and it's gonna tell you a few things. I'm pretty sure that's in there. Yeah, right now. I guess I gotta make that more visible because people ask those questions that are in there, so people don't notice that. All right. Perfect. I should have just marketed it in. I knew it. I knew it. Actually, no. That wouldn't have worked yet. Come on, close strong. Better would be off the 620 level. Guys, I do not trade international. I'm in the USA. I do not have an idea of how the plane stuff works. You must ask someone else. I get a wire transfer. My payouts are requested, approved, and I'm just waiting for the wire to come in next couple of days. I think it's about early July payouts, not the second window. Do I have a video on payout? Instructions? Like instructions, you mean? No dice there yet. I have an appointment at 12:30, so I'm gonna have to end the stream at 12:15, unfortunately. Oh, I would like to be done trading at that time as well, because once I'm done with the meeting, I gotta go. Master Joe, you could use QUANTOWER for Rhythmic or Ninja Trader or Sierra Chart. QUANTOWER is free and easy to use. Once you want some advanced features, then you gotta pay for QUANTOWER. I pay for QUANTOWER, so I'm able to trade between prop firms. All right. None of the support held. If your payment is approved and you blow up while waiting for the account, you will still get the payout. Yes. Once the money is out of the account, which is when it's approved. No, it doesn't affect me, Leo. I just go about it like it's a normal day. Last 3 Tuesdays I was red, so we'll see what happens today. So still, this is the first trap underneath the lows. Okay, started Tuesday the typical way. I'm not 100% there yet, but I might look into shorting a little bit. Feel like, I mean, we're in the middle of nowhere right now. Yeah, large candles are definitely hard to trade. I take that again. I don't know. You don't have to trade as a business to offset your eval costs. You could offset your eval costs regardless if you're on business or not. You're gonna tell your accountant you have commissions and fees, and that's your evals, whatever. Because your accountant's not gonna know what the hell we're doing. So you give them a 1099 that you're gonna get from the prop firms, and then you say your expenses are this, and they're gonna do it for you. Oh, you're in the UK. Oh, then I don't know. Sorry. You're in the UK. It's like I don't know how it works for you guys. Oh man. I mean, I still prefer longs over short, but I don't know. Try one more time, maybe. David, no, I haven't checked. Why? It didn't? All right, all right. Come on, turn green. Hmm. It's a tough day to long for sure for now. Yesterday was 15th, right? Yeah, mine updated. Mine's updated. Hmm. Got some kind of report at 10. Thank you. Let's see what we got going on here. 10 a.m. We'll see what happens. Oh man. 0 for 2. Tuesday is still one of those days that nothing works for me. Obviously just trying to find the bottom here of the lows here, but just can't figure it out. Do I switch to short bias? That's always been the hard part. The report didn't really do much, it seems like. And man, Tuesdays are bad. I mean, it's not the market itself, it's just me, like, not reading the market correctly. And it happens to be on a Tuesday, so it's... Yeah, these are the overnight lows now. And we go through it. See, imagine I didn't use a stop loss. The counts are gone if I don't use a stop loss. Make sure you're on the right connection, BN star. The PA might still be activating, maybe? I don't know. Did you sign and pay? BN Star, did you sign and pay for the I don't know, it's weird. Guys, log into this first. If you log into Rhythmic Trader Pro and you don't see it there, that means it's not activated yet. There was some kind of issue. Someone apparently crashed into one of the New Jersey servers for Rhythmic. Something like that. What a sell-off, jeez. Louise. I'm gonna take this time because I don't want to find the bottom here. So I'm gonna go get my caffeine. I'll be right back. All right, I am back. Okay. Volatility is still very high. Let's see how this candle closes. I don't know if yesterday counts as a trading day. I don't know. And what am I drinking? I am drinking what's called a full throttle. It's a small company. It's like a Red Bull, but it's like citrus Red Bull. It's really good. But I usually don't even finish the whole can. Just sip on it. All right. Still weak. But this little break here is what's piquing my interest. Can we get a follow through though here? That's the thing. Something's not right. Okay. Not took like a second for the orders to go through. See, like only the Apex accounts didn't go through, of course. Damn it. Only my bull knocks and oh my, now there's a problem. Arithmetic's not working. Oh, nah, man. Now I kind of want to just get out because I don't know what the hell's happening. I don't really know what the hell's happening, guys. All right, that works. Thank God. Whew. Holy shit, guys. What the fuck? What the fuck just happened? I don't like to curse, but was I in double size just now? I had to rewatch that. I'm up 6. I was supposed to be break even right now. Well, we're doing a giveaway now. Pure luck. Holy shit. That could have been bad. That would have been 2 losses. I would have been done for the day. I thought the orders just lagged. I mean, I only pressed the button once. Or maybe I did press it twice. Alright, so this is a lesson. When there's a lag with Rhythmic, do not just keep pressing the button. I definitely pressed it twice. And I placed the orders double. But then they didn't go through the first time. And then they went through, so... Yeah, don't... That's the thing. We gotta stop panicking. Just let it breathe. Well, that's awesome. I'll take that all day, every day. More issues, please. Yeah, that might be it. I mean, that's a very good comeback. I was confused. I was looking at it. I'm like, is this the unrealized P&L or what's happening? How much did I make on Top Step? Yeah, I'm green on Top Step. Did Top Step take a double size too? I gotta rewatch. How about Rhythmic on... Okay, so this didn't take double size, or did it? No. Actually, yeah, I did. Alright, so that's pretty sweet. I get to activate another PA account from Bullnox. So this is past eval. So that's how Bullnox works. You have to see how this account now is at 52885. That means I'm over the safety net, and now I could activate another account. So I'm gonna have 5 accounts there. This account is gonna be unlimited payout on Friday. It is now. I could request it now, but I think Friday is when I'm gonna have 10 days. This is unlimited payout as well, and then this one is not. But this one's unlimited payout, but it doesn't really make much difference. You know, I'm gonna try to take out like 9,000 to 10,000 from Bullnox next week, or Friday for next week. Opening range trade, I bailed on it today, so didn't make much on that. But see, like this, we have 2 examples, because I talk about stuff like that, but I don't there's a lot of people that talk about stuff and they don't actually do stuff, right? But I don't watch the P&L. I watch the chart. Like, I don't see the P&L. Like, I don't look at the position. I'm just looking at the chart. I know my stop and stuff is in place. So I don't look at the positions. I don't look at the P&L. Like, I don't notice any of that. I'm focused on the candles. And that happened last week as well on Friday, where I didn't copy trade. I didn't know. I was in the trade for over a minute and I didn't realize I wasn't copy trading. So when the target hit, I thought I won on all the trades, but in fact, only one account won. Can I explain how the 30% consistency is calculated? It's calculated based on one day being 30% of your total value in the account. There's a video on my channel. You could watch that. It explains it really well. And obviously the video is about 10 minutes long or whatever, however long it is, to give you examples. So I don't want to waste this much time on stream to do that. But it's basically just one day cannot be 30% or more of your total balance. And actually I could show you the example from Bullnox, because they do it on the dashboard, and I hope that Apex implements something like this soon. Let's see. All right, so we have account balance at 4,195. Okay, so let's see. $4,195 times 0.18. Yeah. So this is at 18%. So see, like 769 out of 54,000 is 18%. Okay, I've taken many payouts from this account. I've had this account for quite a long time now. But then let's say we go to this one. This one, $1,000. Is 18% as well, I guess, of 55,000. But this one, for example, is I have a big day here. See, I have a $2,800 day, and that's 31% of 58,897. So if you have a day like this, to get to payout with Apex, you have to get this number to 30%. With Bullnox, it's 40%. But with Bullnox, if you're at 41%, you're not getting a payout. With Apex, if you trade like this, right, for 41 days and you're at 31% and the rule is 30%, they're going to give you the payout. They don't want you just going big on day number one, trading for another 6 days, just enough to get to 30%, and then last 2 days flipping and having 10 days making $2,600 and taking the payout. That's what they don't want you to do. But if you make, you know, way more than cushion, then you'll be fine. You know, you could probably get close to 40% on Apex and still get the payout. But I hope that explains it a little bit. Consistency rule is not a joke because there's 20 accounts. If you think it's a joke, then just trade your own account. I mean, it's that simple. Why don't you just go trade your own account, you know? Got no rules. Simple. And Gonzalez. Remember that day? I'm going to call you out just for fun. Remember that day you said, do you think this 5K you made on PA is going to be approved? It isn't consistent size. Well, it was approved because I did make exactly what I just showed you. So the consistency rule is not a joke. It's part in there to make it a little bit more difficult, but at the same time, it's there for a reason. 20 accounts, bro. Like, where else are you gonna make that kind of money with trading small size? Did I take the long again? What's my thoughts on fast track trading? I have not heard anything bad, and they have some pretty good plans. They do have a 20% consistency rule, which for me would be fine. So I'm probably gonna give them a try. I love the names. I just know you have to send them your ID. So they don't do like an ID check. I mean, I don't think that really matters, but until they're proven, like, I don't want to send my ID to everyone just because of obviously social media presence, but eventually I'll give them a try. I think they're pretty good. I don't. Yeah, that would be today. If anything counts for 2 days, it would be today. At the end of today, it would update for tomorrow. I mean, for yesterday. Wow, guys, I still can't believe. So hit those likes. We're gonna do a giveaway because that was a lucky trade. So I wanna give back. I got lucky, so false breakout. Damn. Might just call it there, guys. Think I got lucky to be green, and that's 10:30. I still got 2 hours. This goes though. Oh, might have to take it again. Didn't invalidate it. I think there's gonna be a reversal. These huge candles are making it very tough to enter at the close of the candle. Want to finish at 6K? I wouldn't really make the payouts. Plus, I gotta push. Like when I'm actually green, I gotta sometimes push. Gonna be break even after this trade. Come on, save me. Okay, I gave it back to. This is where I was supposed to be after that trade anyway. Am I gonna take more trades? I don't know. I'm not feeling the market at all. I got lucky on that one trade, and that's about it. Making 20K and a crazy dump. I mean, you're not gonna be able to take that out, so it's not like it matters really. I mean, it depends. I mean, go if you're gonna trade like that, go trade with Top Step, or Take Profit Trader, because I don't have those rules. Actually, I don't know. Take Profit Trader, do they have consistency? I don't think so, right? Go to a prop firm with no consistency rules, which they exist, and then you'll be able to do that. I mean, there's different prop firms for every kind of trader, right? Sharus, no. That's where you're wrong. You should go home when you're down $500 per account. Not pushing when you're green. You're never going to make back the losses. You're going to have a losing day, and what are you going to do, you know? I mean, you guys do whatever you prefer, but I said last week I need to push. I didn't push, and then I took some losses. I went on a 3-day losing streak, and I lost 10 accounts. If I would have kept pushing on the days I was doing really well, I would have never lost those accounts. Yeah, I think so, William, for sure. That I agree with, but that's just what I believe. I mean, that's just not... That is just not something I am gonna change just because of one red day, you know? Because it's been working so well. Because I could be red today going long to... I mean, going short very easily. When I short here, get stopped out. You know, there's ways to get stopped out going short too. But we'll see what happens. Problem is, I didn't take traps. I just took reversal trades. There was no trap here. Never trapped lower. I give it traps here, that's different. Let's see what happens. I didn't get my payouts yet. Sucks to give it back, but this is where I was supposed to be anyway, so it's fine. I'm actually still lucky. I had 2 extra shots to take. It's just these candles are massive. Like, there's no clean reversal. Oh, see, that's 61 ticks. That's a win right there. It's not simple. It's just finding the perfect timing for it. Kind of like I did here. Like I'm buying too high up. Maybe I should just won't change too much, but I might just wait for like a clear reversal. If there is a reversal today, it's gonna be very obvious. This is like hoping for a reversal. You don't know if it's gonna reverse or if it's gonna continue lower. Versus once it starts reversing and the short starts to panic, then it's gonna be the same type of move back to the upside. It just in finding the entry is hard. See? I know it's gonna go. I just couldn't find the right entry. Mistimed it a little bit. See, if I taken that trade instead of here, I took it here, it's a winner. So it's not like my idea here was terrible. How would I look at it from the reverse side? I think the reversal's in. Or did I get it wrong again? Damn, Tuesday is just hell of a freaking day for me. I don't know why the exits are not showing up. Oh, this one just showed up now. All right. I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't wanna. I took already more losses today than I've done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I took 5 losses already today. Like, if I didn't get lucky here, I would have been done already. On the day. Getting it right, but getting it wrong at the same time. That's another thing. The volatility is getting me. A bunch of things that I'm doing wrong today. Nice, Sepka. Congrats. Looser stops, I don't think. Because if I had looser stops, these losses would have been massive. I'm okay with letting... I just need better entries. I am just chasing up right now and just not working. See how it's going higher, but it's also pulling back, see? I think candle over candle trades are just not going to work today. I pretty much got one shot left, and if it's a loss, I'm going to call it a day. Damn, fuck. Reversal's there, guys. I knew it. See? Reversal is there. It's just the timing. Look how hard it is to time it properly on a choppy day. For scalping, these candles are great because you could, you could short any pop. It's gonna pull back just enough to get you out and then keep going. I used to like, it's like every candle it goes up, it comes back, goes up, goes, like there's a lot of volatility within the candle before it closes. That's like the best for scalping quick. My entries are, William, are you like brand new to my stream? My entries have been freaking phenomenal last, I don't know, week and a half. The only reason I lost 10 accounts is because I didn't let the wins work out. I mean, if you watch my stream from early last week and the week prior to that, I mean, I was getting some insane entries and just moving the orders and Sofian, it'll be at like 12 o'clock or whenever I will be done trading. So if I take a loss on the next trade, I will say I lose on the next trade, we'll do the giveaway. See how many likes we need to do the giveaway. We're gonna need like 300 likes. We could get there. So keep hitting the like button, guys. What happened to Nutty Bar? What do you mean, what happened? Does Apex dashboard show your percent consistency? No, it does not. Do I only trade off the 1 minute? No, I also have an hourly chart and I keep watching for other levels. Yeah, I'm not down much. No, I'm not worried about that. I don't know if I'm gonna request any payouts this time around though. That's the only thing I'm concerned about. But I don't know. I haven't even done the math to see how many days I'm on and all that stuff. No idea how you have same viewers if your stream as Daniel. What? Okay. Maybe because I have like $350,000 in payouts in a year, and 304,000 this year alone. Oh god, I gotta change the chat. Sorry guys. 1 second. Yeah, I have no freaking clue, my friend. I have no freaking clue. I have not paid attention to that. I'm not buying breakouts. When go watch my videos from the past, please. Oh. Alex, there's no 30% rule. It's 30% rule is based on your trading, so there's no way you bust it. How can you bust it? You just gotta you just gotta make the amount that you need. Look at this account. Why do you think I have 164,000 in this account? Because I had a big day on this account. Yeah, he's not talking about you. He's talking about people that are saying how I should be trading. Someone said, "How do I have so many viewers?" and stuff like that. That don't get it twisted. You did nothing wrong, Yair, so you're good. I mean, no one really did anything wrong. 50K 780. No, that's a guideline. But I don't aim to make 5,600. I mean, 2,600 in the payout. I want to make more, so. Sharuz, you notice that it's always the days I lose and it's never the days I'm green. Like it's so funny how it works. Where were they yesterday? Where was he yesterday saying? Oh, we're talking about Daniel Inskeep or whatever. He's commented on my channel many times. I've never watched a piece of his content, but okay, maybe we could get. Yeah, and I'm not even down today. I'm not even concerned. Guys, this is exactly why the big YouTubers that don't care about profits, they're making a show out of YouTube, right? Or they're making content on strategies. This is why they don't show you losing, because there's idiots like that think that you're never supposed to lose in trading. So if you lose, you don't know what you're doing. But if you never show losses, you're fake. And it's social media is so toxic that it actually makes me laugh how different comments you get when you're doing really well. You know, you're fake. When you're doing bad, you don't know what you're doing. It's crazy. You can't win, exactly. Yeah, I'm not trying to teach anyone how to trade, or we're just hanging out, right? We're just having a conversation. It's not really. You need to trade with 120 micros, so one contract. They don't know how to trade themselves, so they just take it out on someone else. Yeah. Yeah, Darren. It could be I mean, you're 120 micros, you're trading a mini, right? So it's not like, I guess you're scaling out. Oh yeah, that's right. It's 12 minis, yeah. Duh. That's what I was computing 12. Yeah, a little bit. You can't even take 120. Chop, chop, chop. See, it sells off and then bounces right back up. But it's like, it's very hard to get follow through today. Do I stream my payouts when you're able to request them? Yeah, I usually, well, depends, because sometimes I request them after the stream, so, because you need the extra day. But yeah, the last payout I requested it on stream because I wasn't sure how much to take out, because I had some accounts that were unlimited, so I had the chat help me, because I wasn't gonna take all the money, and the chat told me to take all the money. So I was like, all right, I guess I'll take all the money, and then I'm glad I did, because I lost 10 accounts or 9 accounts. This account's still alive. This account had $30 in drawdown left, and I saved it, and I just had $900 in it just, what, an hour ago? Not even 45 minutes ago. After this trade, any chance to convert sim dollars to real dollars, take it. Yeah, good way to put it. Oh, I blew many accounts that were above safety net and ready for payout, and I wanted to grow a cushion. I would say at least 15 of them, if not more. Like last July, exactly at this time, I only took out $2,000, and I had like 3 other accounts I could have taken money from, and at that time, that was a lot of payouts for me. How many PAs all time? A 180, 189 now. I'm gonna be at almost 200 by the time I activate or pass some new ones. It's a lot. But I used to lose them quite often in the last year. But you know, it's hard not to take the money, because usually I blow the accounts when, you know, I lose the accounts at this. So see how like I can't lose any money on these accounts? I'm gonna lose the account at 150,000. That's how much I started with, 150. So like I typically blow the accounts at the initial balance, so I don't really lose money. It's just I lose the account. You take the payout, you go on a couple of red days, and happens. Trailing drawdown stops at your risk. So if you do the 50K account, it stops at 2,600. So you have 2,500 to risk, it stops at 2,600. The 25K, you have $1,500 to risk, it stops at 1,600. So it's at the initial balance. So once you can't go down below below the account value, so let's say a 50K account, once you make 2,500, now you can't go down below 50,000 anymore. So always add $100 to whatever the trailing drawdown is, and that's when it stops. So if you get to 60K, then you could withdraw to 52,600. No. Darren, no. So are you new to Apex? You could only take out, initially, you could only take out $2,000 every 2 weeks on the 50K accounts. Yeah, they need to get a payout at 66. Yeah, so trailing stops at initial balance. So whatever your risk is, add $100 to that, and then that stops. Then you can't go below it. So you see this auto liquidate threshold value. Once this gets to 50,000, then it's not gonna move anymore. Like this account's pretty brand new. It's 47,750 is what you initially start with, or 47,500. Yeah, 47,500. 6,600 on the 250 case. If I'm at 52,000, can I withdraw 2K? No. You have to get it to 2,600. I just blew 4 brand new Top Step Express accounts till day. Oh, sorry to hear that. Top Step is tougher to pass too. I'm waiting for my payout to be approved from Top Step. So I haven't traded it. I traded the other account. I don't have much drawdown in that either. All right, last trade. Let's see if we could get in this. I'm not really patient for the best setups today though. Come on, push it. All right, break even stops. At least we could take one more trade if this one doesn't work out. Annoying, but whatever. At least take some profit off. Couldn't get that sweep straight up. Probably gonna hit, but I gotta play defense right now to be able to take one more trade. Now it's holding. Yeah, now it's holding up. Yeah, that's why you saw me measure to make sure I could get the target before the highs. Because I think this could trap. Right there now. But who knows? Would have been nice to get that clean move and be green on the day, but now she goes. Would have hit the target. Yeah, would have hit the target if I just left there break even. How many accounts did I blow before I became profitable? I think 3 accounts. But I've also been trading for a long time. I got my payouts on account 3 and 4. So that kind of set me off to I got a payout with Tick first. So technically I don't know how many accounts I had prior to that. Unfortunate. That would have put me back to green. Would have been a good day. Did I backtest? No. I don't have a black and white strategy to backtest. My opening range trade I backtested, yes. But more so forward testing is better for me. It's not like there's a lot of money on the line. Oh, there she goes. Ooh. Painful, painful, painful. Good job, whoever was looking for 600s. Marcelo. Good job. Damn. In 3 words. I can't do in 3 words. Jeez. A trap. A higher high trap. But this was more of a reversal. There's really no trap. That the way I look for traps, it didn't really set up here unless you look at maybe a bigger time frame. Nope. Damn. Should have been green. But see how like the previous two trades affected everything? Because if this trade would have happened after this trade, I would have had a full win. But since I took 3 losses, now I had to be careful. Marcelo, great job though. But see, this is why I'm long bias on a pullback, because it's going to reverse. There's going to be a day that it doesn't, like it didn't last Thursday. But typically it will reverse, and that's why I'm long biased. And it's hard to say that to people when it looks like I'm buying the, against the trend, but this is exactly why I'm buying, and it's what happens most of the time. I don't want to change it just because it doesn't happen one day. Yeah, green machine, that sucks. Oh. Yeah, once the proper, that's why I'm thankful for the opportunity, little big bear. That's why I'm thankful, and I don't complain about little issues. I understand what it's like to trade a real market. You see a little trap here. The reversal's happening. This will work. If this is a big reversal, if this is just a pullback, then this will not work. Suggestion balance before requesting a payout. 3,000 plus. I don't have trade of 8, sorry. Light. I don't have trade of 8. I have top step X and rhythmic. I got exactly an hour to go on the stream because I have an appointment with the client at 12:30 on Zoom, so I gotta use the camera and stuff. Hit those likes, guys, because we gotta do a giveaway at 300 likes. What client? I'm a wedding DJ. I have not traded with take profit traders to know that, so I don't know. But Pips Hunter, I would say no because it's very easy. How are you gonna prove that you have 3 traders in the same household? Kind of sounds weird. Top 3 requested songs. Like almost every request list has Dancing Queen. That's definitely number 1 for me. Obviously, there's different requests all the time depending on the crowd, but Dancing Queen is, no matter what kind of wedding it is, usually is on there. Nah, UB40, no. I haven't seen UB40 on the request list in in years. Like right now, Gimme Gimme. Gimme is popular, so that's like a trendy song. How many miles in the Porsche? Just about to hit 400. I haven't driven it much. I've been helping my sister and stuff. She's moving. Just busy life right now. My nephew had his first hockey practice yesterday, so that was cool. Just a lot going on. Like I no time for, and it's super hot. Super hot. So I'll drive around the block, you know, go get a Red Bull or something, and but I haven't really taken it for a true drive, like down to the beach for a photo shoot. I haven't done any of that yet. I really want to, but I gotta see when what contract am I on? September contract. The high was 608.75. Oh, actually, Bobby, it's pretty quiet. Miggy, I've been DJing through that. I've been DJing for 18 years now. So Call Me Maybe was part of my life too. 918 Spider. That's a car that sits in the garage. It's a collector's car. That's not a driving car, man. For that, you have to be a very you have to be very wealthy for that. Let's put it that way. And I'm not talking about, you know, $2-3 million. You gotta have like, you know, maybe if you're making $5 million a year, it's worth buying, or 3 million. I guess if you make $3 million a year for, let's say, 5 years, then maybe you could buy it. But that's a car that's just gonna sit. Come on, can we get one more trade before I gotta go? Cats, I don't know. He's sat in it, but he's never driven with me. I mean, he can't. He's too little. Do I still use the ORB but not for Apex? Yes. You're short from 589. Right here. Very nice. See, I would love to take a trade like that for like $600 profit, one trade. I would love that. But this must have been a hard pullback to hold through. For me, at least. Yeah, I might consider this a trap. Take a short. Little Big Bear. I mean, that was about talking about, you know, the market. So it wasn't anything bad. So we're good. Hope you had a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Did you say you do wire, not ACH with Top Step? I guess so. Let me check. I remember. I know I do the bank option. I think it's ACH though. My best month was $81,000, and my worst month over the last year was $2,000 in July last year. Yeah, I don't do for Top Step, I don't do the Ys. I do the bank transfer. So that's why I meant wire transfer. I don't know which one I do though. I don't remember. I just go here, it's already all set up. I've done that a long time ago. I don't remember the details. Same thing with Apex. If you asked me to walk you through how to set up the payment method, I wouldn't know how because I've done that a year ago now. What year do you think Formula E will take over Formula One? Never. No one's gonna watch that crap. It will just kill the sport. $90% off where? What? I mean, electric motors are powerful, yes, but that's not the point. Transition screen had 90% off. Okay, let's see. Well, the 150K account or 300K account, it's more than 90% off. Maybe that's what it was. I'm looking for it. Where the hell is the 90% off? I don't see any 90% off though. It just scrolled through all of them and I didn't see any single taps in. You have to refresh. You have to refresh. We're at 170 likes, but we still need to get to 300 to do a giveaway. Set up. If you drive for performance, that's fine. I drive for the noise. I think noise is the best part of a car. That's like saying, oh, let's drive all-wheel drive cars because the performance is better on the all-wheel drive car than it is on the rear-wheel drive car. No, doesn't work that way. Oh, no trap there. Apex deactivated my PS for no reason. Never heard that before. So you sure there's no reason? Yeah, there's e-bikes already. I mean, why would you want to ride an e-bike? You know, like, again, the best part about riding a motorcycle when I had it was the sound at high RPMs. That was the best part. Oh man, I wish they would trap. I wish they trapped what I said. That would have been nice. Damn, all I had to do was just break this high and I would have been in. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get another trade. I haven't taken any trades off stream in a long time, and I might just keep that going for a bit. It's okay to accept a small red day once in a while. Obviously, I'm not reading the market 100% right today, so yeah. I mean, anyone that Darren, anyone that says they know what's gonna happen is full of crap. You can only predict or expect something, but the only thing you know is how much you're gonna lose on the trade, if anything. That's the only thing you could determine. Yo, Pine Tree, what's going on? Alberto, yeah. I mean, I guess he made profit. Is that what you're saying? Ah, man. Can we get a trap to the short side? Yeah, gold's running up. Crazy move. I haven't taken a gold trade in a while. Okay. But no, I didn't break the lows. I don't know if you're talking about payouts or if you're talking about passing an eval. You'll be fine. If the trade's at break even, you're fine. We might get it this week. Rogue trader, you could have your own beliefs. That is totally fine with me. I'm just saying I'm not gonna watch as soon as it goes electric. I'll lose my interest in it, and I don't care. I'll watch other forms of motorsport instead. Nothing wrong with that. Black Wolf, I mean, I've been doing the same thing with Apex, and it's always been the same. There's been days where it's early, there's days it's been late. Now, the latest I think I received the payout was well, number one, you got to stop talking and thinking about approval. Approval has nothing to do with payouts. It's all about the 15th and the 30th. Okay, so you get paid on the 15th. That's like the timeline. And on the 30th. Okay. That's the 2 dates that matter, not the payout approval. Approvals don't matter at all. Whether you get approved on the 1st, on the 5th, it doesn't matter. In the past, you get paid between 13th to like the 16th, I would say is like the average. Sometimes they would pay early, but typically it was the 13th to the 15th on most days. Many times I've gotten paid after that, like 2-3 days after that, but never more than like 5 days. Yeah, so pretend, instead of thinking that you're getting paid when you get approved, realize you're getting paid on the 15th and on the 30th. And once you start basically getting payouts every 2 weeks, then it just comes. Then you don't even think about, the payouts itself. Trade for freedom. Where did you get that information? I'm still under review and I request July 2nd. Interesting. Oh, what's the benefit of bull knocks over Apex? Think about buying this breakout, but maybe it'll be a false breakout and I could short. 1 second. Maybe that. The main benefit of bull knocks? Well, the main reason why I did bull knocks is because I want more than 20 accounts. But the second thing is bull knocks, there's no rules. So with bull knocks, you could do whatever you want. You could DCA, you could trade the news, you could do whatever you want. So that's a benefit. Other than that, I don't know what the benefit is. And I guess the 3 payouts, the first 3 payouts are limited, and then after the first 3 payouts, it's unlimited. So instead of 4 months, you get to, unlimited in 3 months. Let's see what's new on QUANTOWER. Strategy. Nothing important. Robert, it's not fast payouts. They're just timely payouts. So you know exactly when you're getting them, but they're not really that fast. Bull knocks is definitely more old school. They're very low on like high tech stuff. So, give me 1 second, guys. Hello, Christian speaking. Good, how are you? I'm gonna fill out the form on the website, and then you could give me a call back. Okay, that'll be great. Thank you. Bye bye. Jeez. I guess no more trades from you guys. Can you flip with bull knocks? Yes, you can. You could even flip PA accounts as much as you want. It's a 40% consistency, so technically you can make $4,000 because you can't take out the safety net. So you got to make $4,100 to take out 1,500. So technically you could make, the 4,100 in 3 days, as long as you didn't break 40% consistency. And then for the next 10 days, you just flip and you could get a payout. I mean, I've been a fan of bull knock since the beginning, so. Man. Why couldn't I get a trap? Does bull knocks have discounts? Yeah, they have 83% off right now. Yeah, they pay out. I mean, they're a small company though, so if everyone goes to them, that's when I would see changes and stuff. So that's why I don't like. I learned a lot over the last year, not even a year, over the last few months. So I'm forever grateful for these prop firms. What happened? What did Trade for Freedom spill? um Trade for Freedom, but you okay. Because the VWAP is calculated on the time frame you're on for the most part. Like, see, I could do a VWAP for 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, 3 days, 1 week. So if you have a different time frame, I guess it just picks up more. I don't know exactly how that works, but like if you do it on an hourly and it's like 11:30, it's gonna count it from 9 o'clock or whatever, you know. So I don't know. Exactly, cats. It's just amazing. Well, a lot of people are not successful and they get upset, you know, because they think it's the prop firms, but that's just the reality of the markets. Most people are not going to be successful in trading. It's tough. Damn, I was green today. Could have just called it a day. Should have been happy with that. But I got 20 minutes. Did we get to 250 likes? Did I see the Dow? No. What happened with the Dow? I don't have Dow up. Holy shit. Straight up. See, was there any like traps on that? Not really. Yeah, one here. But if there's no payout window, will there be a limited payouts per account? Maybe they, I guess they can't raise that too much. I'm falling asleep. Missy, what happened? It's just a rumor now, so I'm not gonna comment on it too much. Not that I really even care, but if you have 11 accounts, what do you mean you're not gonna get your money back? You get one payout out of all those accounts. Well, the rumor that someone just said was August, I mean September. You have 2 months. And I'm sure you're gonna get grandfathered in anyway. There's no way they're gonna just now allow 20 accounts if you have 20 accounts. I took a stab there. Kind of just little trap there, but there's just not enough momentum today. A lot of chop. Can it go? Can't it go? I was green. Break even on the day. Come on. Last trade of the day, regardless what happens. I gotta go. 300 likes, 300 likes. Come on, guys. You guys could do that. We need. I got 10 minutes on the stream. So I'm gonna start the giveaway, but we have to get to 3 likes, guys. 300 likes. So I trust you guys that by the time the giveaway is done, oh, what a shame. What a shame. Tuesday, hell. Next Tuesday is gonna be interesting. What Johnny B said earlier, if Tuesdays affect me, well, Tuesdays don't affect me yet, but a couple more red Tuesdays and I might be affected by it. Now I got an appointment at 12:30, unfortunately. Gotta make the losses back, book a wedding. Fuck. Terrible day. Terrible day again on a Tuesday. So annoying. Just a lot of chop all day. Yeah, I was up 6K as well. Sucks. I'm bummed out. Kind of frustrated today for sure. I guess no more payouts for this month. Guess we're just gonna have to settle for 50K a month. It's alright. I wanted to have my second best month ever, and it's not gonna happen at this point unless I have some miracle trades next couple days. Oh man, why so much chop today? Why so much chop? I mean, all I had to do is trap, at any point. Like here, anywhere I could have just trapped. I would have had a good entry, but no. I mean, this was a trap, but kind of went in late. No, I don't trade gold. I don't know what my risk setup is for that. But yeah, it's crazy. Crazy move on gold and TB, you clearly don't watch me all the time. But nice. Oh, so annoyed. So annoyed today. Any thought on how high the market could go? Who knows with elections and all that stuff. TB, no, not really. I mean, it's trading, right? It's, what do you think it's gonna be straight up? When I have a read on the market, I have to continue trading. Snicker's talking about TB. But TB is a good guy. I'm just teasing. All right, the raffle is finished. 1 minute warning, guys. 1 minute warning for $33 giveaway. So it'll get you a 50K evaluation. One minute. When this closes, this candle closes, it's done. Should I take a short? Okay, I'm short. Pretend we're short. Stop loss 525. When this candle closes, I'm closing the giveaway because I have an appointment at 12:30 and I need to kind of do my hair and stuff, so I don't wear a hat. Even though I don't care, sometimes I wear hats with my clients too, but it's a new client, so first impressions matter. That's gonna be my goal. I'm gonna try to book a wedding for $5,300. How about that? I'm gonna sell them everything. Like, oh, we have a special deal. All right, let's do it. Oh, this would have worked, the short. Would have worked. Then watch the stream. And the short would have worked. But that's not really my... Yeah, maybe I gotta stop being biased to the long side. Now that we're not at all-time highs, just gotta play both sides, you know? I don't know. I gotta figure it out. All right, guys, let's do it. Let's do it. So we're gonna close the entries. And payout request update. My top step payout didn't get approved. What do you mean 5 days? Did I not have 5 trading days? Let me see. Keep entering, guys. I gotta check this. One, two. Oh, yeah. Okay. That's my fault. I need one more green day on Top Step. All right. I'm closing it. I am closing it. Oh my God. One more time you type that, and I swear to God. You are already in, but now you're not. All right, guys, I really gotta go. So let's do it. Closing entries. And the winner is gonna be... Can you guys see that? Let me make it better. Drum roll, please. Eric W. Is Eric in the house? Yeah, it's rigged. But yeah, trade for freedom. If you could send me a proof of your Apex employment, that would be great. Eric going once. Eric going twice. All right, we're gonna roll it back. No response. So okay, you got 1 minute to re-enter if you haven't entered yet. If you already entered, you don't have to re-enter. You're still in there. So don't type it. Members get 4 tickets. I guess I'll be doing my meeting in a hat. All right, guys, closing it. So I gotta go. And the second winner is, hopefully they're here, MIT. Sorry, Eric. Unless MIT doesn't show up, then Eric will send it to you, but we'll give MIT a minute or two. Fake Eric, yeah, someone just changed their username to Eric. Trade for freedom. You gotta fix your caps lock. You need a better keyboard. You hit caps lock instead of shift. No, I'm just kidding. MIT, are you here? I don't have time for another pick. All right. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick another one. Eric, I'm gonna send you 20 bucks and then we'll do a $20 giveaway for someone else. All right, so Eric, I'll send you 20 bucks and the second person will get 20 bucks. If they're here. If this next person's not here, then sorry. Haha. Member. Just one trading. There we go. Eric, just send me a email with your PayPal or your Venmo. MIT, why you say that now? Yo, what's up, bro? All right. Is just one trading here? All right, guys. I am gonna call it. See you guys tomorrow. I don't think I'm gonna trade more. Honestly, I think I should just be okay with taking a loss. I feel like every time I try to make a loss back, that's just bad habits. Even if I make it back sometimes, I'm not reading the market right. So I might as well just call it and be happy with losing half of what I made yesterday. Still a green week. Payouts are probably not gonna happen regardless. This um all right, guys, take care, and I'll see everyone tomorrow. All right, hit those notifications and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, because you have to be subscribed to be able to chat on some days. So all right, guys, I got 4 minutes, so I gotta go. I gotta exit out of this, start my Zoom, and maybe go do my hair really quick. No, I'll just wear a hat. I don't really care. Later, guys. Peace out, and I'll talk to you guys soon.